Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your natural nail guru Tati, and today we're going to be talking about how amazing 2021 was, all of the goals that were accomplished, the areas of opportunity and our focuses, and what the goal is going to be for 2022. So before we begin with all the details, I just want to thank everyone out there that is subscribing and viewing and commenting and engaging with the channel, taking the advice and letting me know that it's helping you. Just, asking questions, giving feedback. I really do appreciate it. Getting YouTube up and running and me comfortable with it and steady with it was definitely a huge focus for this year. Because education and training is my overall ultimate vision for my brand and Oh My Gel and what I want to offer. So getting that set up on YouTube was a really, really big start in making that momentum and working towards that education. So I really do appreciate everyone that's subscribing. So this year with YouTube, we gained 5,760 subscribers, which is amazing. It's breaking down to about 400 subscribers a month, give or take. And that is extraordinary. That's actually just really rewarding to see that people are watching and more people are signing on. So it's really, really great. I do appreciate it. Now, I personally had a goal of getting to 15K, but I do have areas of opportunity to focus on in regards to the frequency of my videos and making sure that I'm posting more. Right now, I'm averaging like one video a week, but it gets crazy because I have to physically do all of the manicures for 100 and something clients every single month. So my days are long, hours are long, and sometimes I just get a little caught up in, not focusing on getting videos done. It's just a lot, but no excuse. I have lots of actions in place to make sure that we are knocking that out for 2022 and really improving that and delivering more content because there is just so much in this brain that I need to share. And it's all coming, I promise. So for YouTube this year, I definitely want to point out the most watched video was our issues with curing video. Is your gel not curing? Does it wrinkle? This video definitely had the most viewership and it also had the most commented. It's definitely an issue that a lot of people have. Now, as I was getting all this information and going through this video, again, I realized that I do have some areas of opportunity in how I did the video and the content. There's definitely more that I can add to it. So I will be following this one up with more updated video to help you guys out. But this one definitely got a lot of attention for this year. If you haven't seen it, don't worry. I will be posting it at the end or in the cards that we have an easy link. So you can go on and check that out. Now, YouTube was definitely not the only goal that I had for 2021. Overall, my biggest focus was definitely getting things in the shop up and running. Getting my name trademarked, which has been a 3-year process, and I am just waiting for that certificate in the mail. It is getting here. I'm so happy that that's done. It was really stressful, but it is done. Getting my logos, my official logos done, not just for Oh My Gel, but for Oh My Natural, which was one of the biggest goals that I had for this year, is finally getting started on my natural products. So Oh My Natural is a company that is founded by me with my amazing partner and lead formulator, Monica. She is absolutely incredible and incredibly knowledgeable on natural products and the care for your skin and the benefits. So she has partnered up with me to help not just create incredible products for your nails, but also for your skin, keeping them as raw and as natural as possible. No water added, pretty much no ingredient that doesn't need to be there. So we are actually going to be starting the launch of the company with cuticle balm, cuticle oil, and I'm also working on a moisturizer for acetone and alcohol, as well as a foot butter, which is going to be really, really amazing. So those two things at the end, we're still working on recipes for, but cuticle balm and cuticle oil will be available soon, coming January 2022. We're going to be doing a soft launch as we test out different packages and just little things like that. I'm really new at all of this, so we are figuring things as we go, but that's what owning a business is all about. It's really just being on your toes and figuring things out and not stressing it because we're going to figure it out. But that's very, very exciting and rewarding to see that we're finally at the point to deliver these products and get results everywhere. I'm absolutely just thrilled for this, and I hope you guys are excited about that too. This year we have everything so nice and steady with our appointments and adding Stephanie, our pedicure specialist, into the shop. She is slaying pedis, absolutely perfected and mastered, and I definitely can't wait to get her an expert on manicure and for her to be a lead and help when it comes to training and bringing more people in. She's been such a huge part of the team. And everything's just been going so well with that. I'm really looking forward to the growth. She's also the one that's been helping me with my video editing, which is amazing, and also my sister. So it's been really, really great this year getting solidified in our clientele and getting Stephanie super on board because this was her first job doing this, but she has been slaying it, and I'm just so excited for that future growth. And on top of that, another great feat this year was finally getting situated. Hopefully my soon-to-be future director of operations. I have my amazing and incredible client, Patty, who has agreed to start helping me on a part-time basis, getting things organized, because it's been one of my biggest areas of opportunity over and over again. So getting her help is really just absolutely amazing. She's one of my clients, and I'm so happy to see that my clients are filling these roles, because even my lead formulator, Monica, is one of my clients, and I've said for years that all the positions that I have within the company, I really would like to fill them from, within the house, within the Oh My Gel family. All of my clients are so talented. I have so many skilled people in so many different areas that I really, I have someone that could fill every position that I could need. And who else is going to have the best interest of this brand, more than my clients? They definitely want to see it succeed, because this is their house too. So we got to make sure it's on point. So it makes me really happy to see. I don't know why I keep looking over there. It's funny. So I'm really, really excited about those new beginnings. January, she's going to start helping me out, getting me organized, because that's really going to help me in moving forward with everything that is just waiting for me to start. It's all right there saying, Tati, pick me. Let's start. Let's do it today. So coming into 2022, definitely keeping the momentum is really important. And honestly, I need to step it up, because organization overall has been a focus for me every single year. I absolutely suck at it. I just need someone to do it for me, or just tell me exactly how to do things and I'll do it. But figuring it out, I overthink, and then I just leave things there, and I can't do that. It's a huge focus, and there's a lot of reasons that could be barriers and getting in the way, and making things difficult. But I am 100% a no excuse person, and at the end of the day, there's a lot of decisions I'm not making that are putting me in that situation. I'm a procrastinator by nature. So 2022 is really just stop messing around, get myself organized, reach out to the tools and resources available to help me. And actually, if anyone out there has any books, or maybe you know of any influencers that are like gurus in the organization world, personal, business, all that, please tag below, comment down below, help me out. I definitely would appreciate anything that I could do that's going to help me get this together, because it's definitely going to help me post more videos, get my education and training started sooner, and be able to get this shop ready to accept the next new and amazing nail tech to slay at Oh My Gel. Now, I've mentioned education and training a couple of times. It is the ultimate of ultimate goals for me. It is at the top of my Oh My Gel brand and success hill. Education and training is what I'm passionate about and what I'm here for ultimately. So 2022 is all about really establishing that and getting it going. Not just online courses, but master classes. And those master classes are really where I'm going to be looking for the people that I want to invite to come in and be a part of Oh My Gel and be a part of this family and what we're offering. My clients are waiting to welcome someone new and amazing. So I'm really excited for that. And that's something that Patty is really going to be able to help me out with. So I'm just really excited about that overall. And we're definitely going to be keeping the momentum with our Oh My Natural product line, solidifying the products that we already have, finishing up the recipes for the 2 that we're working on. And ultimately, everything that I use in my shop is going to be handmade, natural products, and available and accessible for others to purchase and use, not just for professionals, but if you're just at home taking care of your nails and skin. Everybody needs the best. So that's definitely going to continue being a focus. And a couple of little things besides me just being organized is really me taking advantage of the marketing of the social media for Instagram and Facebook and YouTube, and really being on top of that to make sure that when people are looking at my social media, looking at my website, that they can get a clear sense of what it is that I'm here for, what our brand offers, get those good vibes that I hope everyone's feeling all the time. Good vibes, good vibes. But that's pretty much it. I don't want to bore you anymore. This has been a long-winded video, but it's really exciting to talk about everything that we've accomplished, where I'm at right now, and where Oh My Gel is going. It's extremely, extremely exciting. And I definitely do appreciate, again, everyone out there that's subscribing and watching the videos. It means absolutely everything. Please don't forget to comment down below if you have any books or anyone that can help me out in an organization, because your girl needs it. And that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for staying through to the end of this video and for being a part of Oh My Gel online. I do appreciate it, and we will see you soon. Bye.